if it retests again and pops, you know damn well what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna hammer them, right? I'm getting out just because I don't like the way Apple's pulling over here. See Apple pulling back. SPY hasn't caught up yet, but I'm gonna wait and see. Again, if SPY breaks and holds the threshold, what am I gonna do? Anybody?
Call with a tight stop.
There you go. Absolutely. Right here, again, we're waiting to see the break of 456.86. If it breaks and holds, boom, I'm going to be back in it again. I'm also watching Apple to see. There it goes. Trying to enter again. Notice this is the second time. Starting to buy up. There it goes. I'm in the trade. There's the pop. Now let's see if it can stay up there. It went green. It's green again. I want a bigger pop. We're to the upside now. There it goes. It's running. Come on, big move. We're in that new area. There it goes. There's 750. Come on, bigger move. Come on, I want a big pop. Come on, stay up there. Big pop. Come on, there's 750 again. There it goes. That's the move. There's 1500, 1700. I'll take it. Come on, I don't want to chase it or I'll pay too much, but I don't want to miss the run either. Miss the run, I'm canceling. Because here, now it can pull back. By the way, this was another $5 to $1,000 move, right? But do you see how you just got to be ready? Bet your ass you do. Now we're waiting again. Now notice it didn't go pop, pop, pop. Did you see how it didn't continue to drive? I'm not going to chase that. Now what we need to do is I need to rechart SPY. Always recharting because we're at the upper limit of today. See it? We don't have anything. We don't have anywhere else to measure from. Do you guys see it? Now I got to go back previous day. What were key levels? Right here.
57.80.
Yep. You guys watching? Next key critical level, 457.20. I got to have these marked. Otherwise, I'm flying blind here. Oh, that one's too tight. Not really worried about it. Right there. 457.20, 32, 49. Those are my next key critical levels. You see how I got them marked? Boom. Those are my next trades. You guys see it? And there it goes. You see how it's in this new upper band? It's trading up here nice and high. Look at Apple broke the triple top. Didn't I tell you guys it had to break the triple top? Yes?
Yep.
It's all making its move. Now, hopefully I'm not too late in this from charting, but I had to find out what it's doing. If this pulls back, I'll get out for an L. I don't care. It's got to stay up here. You have to take the time to chart to know what's coming. Look at 457.20 and look at where it stopped. And I just charted all that before I saw what it was doing, right? And where did it stop, Eric? That's why I won't sit here, because if it can't break 20, it's coming back down to 85.
Yep.